The strategies for effective collaboration and communication. So here the strategies for effective collaboration: building building trust and relationships, establishing clear goals and roles, leveraging technology, encouraging the open communications. In the building trust and relationship, trust is the foundation of successful collaborations. Building trust involves being reliable, transparent, and supportive. Establishing personal relationship among the team members also develops a collaborative spirits. For example, the regular team building activities and open communication channels can help to build the trust among the faculty members, which is leading to more effective collaboration in research and teachings. The establishing clear goals and roles. The clear goals and defined roles ensure that all collaborators understand their responsibility and the objectives they are working towards the projects. This clarity prevents duplications of efforts and helps to maintain the focus. For example, in a research project, assigning the specific tasks such as data collection, analysis, and writing to the different team members based on their expertise can streamline the process and ensure that all aspects of the project are covered. Leveraging the technology. Okay, the technology plays a significant role in facilitating the collaborations, especially in the geographically dispersed teams. The tools like video conferencing, project management softwares, and collaborative platforms enables the real-time communications and coordinations. For example, using a platform like Slack and Microsoft Teams can help the academic teams communicate, share the files, and track the progress of the collaborative projects. Encouraging the open communications. Okay, the open communications involves sharing ideas, feedback, and consent without fear of judgment. It creates an environment where the team members feel valued and heard. For example, a faculty meeting encouraging all members to voice their opinions and providing the constructive feedback, which can lead to more innovative solutions and stronger collaborations. Next slide, please. The strategies for effective communications: active listening, clear and conscious messaging, utilizing feedback loops, cultural sensitivity. The active listening involves fully concentrating on what is being said, understanding the message, and responding thoroughly. It is a key component for effective communications. For example, when a student expresses the concern about their coursework, a faculty member participating active listening would give the student their full attention, acknowledge their concerns, and respond with empathy and helpful suggestions. The clear and concise messaging are essential for communication to ensure that the message is easily understood. Avoiding the jargon and using simple language can help prevent the misunderstanding. For example, in academic writing, using clear and straightforward language rather than complex and technical terms can make the content more accessible to a broad audience. Utilizing feedback loops. The feedback loops involves regularly seeking and providing the feedback to ensure that communication is effective and that any issues are addressed promptly. For example, after a faculty member gives a lecture, they might ask students for feedback on their understanding of the materials, which allows the faculty members to adjust their teaching methods if they need it. The cultural sensitivity involves being aware of respecting cultural differences in communication styles, values, and practices. This is particularly important in diverse academic environment. For example, when working with international students or colleagues, being mindful of cultural norms related to communications, such as use of titles, directness, and non-verbal cues, which can enhance the mutual understanding and respect. Next slide, please. The tools and technologies for effective collaboration communications. The collaboration platform like Google Workspace, Microsoft Teams, and Slack facilitate real-time collaborations by providing tools for communications, file sharing, and project management. This platform enables teams to work together effectively even when they are not physically present in the same locations. For example, Google Docs allows multiple users to work on the same document simultaneously, making it easier to collaborate on the research papers, grant proposal, and curricula, and the preparation of curricula. Video conferencing tools like Zoom, Microsoft Teams, and Cisco WebEx have become essential for virtual meeting, lectures, online workshops, and conferences. They provide the features like screen sharing, breakout rooms, and recording, which enhance the communications and collaborations. For example, during the COVID-19 pandemic situations, many academic institutions use Zoom to conduct the online classes, meetings, and conferences, which is ensuring that communications collaboration could continue despite the physical distances measures. Then the project management tools like Trello, Asana, and Monday.com helps the team plan, organize, and track the progress of collaborative projects. These tools provide the visual timelines, task assignment, and status updates, make it easier to manage complex projects. For example, a research team might use the Trello to create a board that track the different stages of projects from literature review to data collection and analysis, which is ensuring that all team members are on the same page. It's a communication tool. The instant messaging tool like WhatsApp, Slack, and Microsoft Teams enable quick and efficient communications. Email remains as a staple for more formal communications, while platforms like LinkedIn and ResearchGate facilitate the professional networking and collaborations. For example, the faculty members might use the Slack for quick team communications, email for formal correspondence, and the ResearchGate to collaborate with the researchers from other institutions. Next slide, please. Overcoming barriers. Addressing the organizational barriers as the breaking down the syllabus. To overcome organizational syllabus, institution can promote the cross-departmental communications and collaborations. This might involve creating interdisciplinary research centers, organizing joint faculty meetings, or encouraging team teaching initiatives. For example, a university might establish an interdisciplinary research center focused on sustainability, bringing together faculty from environmental science, engineering, economics, and social science to work on collaborative projects. Promoting a collaborative cultures can be promoted by recognizing and rewarding the collaborative efforts, providing the professional development opportunity focused on the collaboration, and encouraging the open communication across all levels of institutions. For example, a university can introduce awards or grants specifically for collaborative research projects, thereby the incentives faculties to work together. Next slide, please. Addressing the cultural and interpersonal barriers, building cultural competence, and developing a mutual respect. And the building a cultural competence can be built through training programs, workshops, awareness campaigns that educate the faculty and students about the cultural differences and how to navigate them in the collaborative settings. For example, an academic institution might offer the workshops and intercultural communications, helping the faculty and students understand the different communication style and cultural norms. The developing mutual respect. So the mutual respect can be developed by promoting an inclusive environment where the diverse perspectives are valued and everyone feels heard and respected. This can be achieved through policies, leadership, and day-to-day interactions. This is the best example. During the faculty meeting, ensuring that all voices are heard and the differing opinions are respected can help the build more inclusive and collaborative environment. Next slide, please. Addressing the technological barriers. Providing access to technology. The institution can address the technological barriers by ensuring that all faculty and students have access to the necessary tools and resources. This might involve providing the laptop software licenses or internet accesses to those who need them. For example, during the transition to online learning, some institution provided students and faculty with the laptops and internet access to ensure that they could participate in virtual classes, offering the training and support to overcome barriers related to the technological proficiencies. Institutions can offer training and support to faculty and students. This might include the workshops on using collaboration tools, technical support service, and online tutorials. For example, the university might offer the training session on how to use Zoom, Microsoft Teams, and other digital tools effectively, which is ensuring that all the faculty and students are comfortable with the technology. Next slide, please. The case studies for successful collaboration and communication. The Human Genome Project is a best example for successful collaborations and communication on the global scale. In this project, these international projects efforts on which aim to map the entire genome. In this, which is involved the collaboration among the thousands of scientists from the various disciplines and countries. This project success was due to the part of effective communications, which ensured that data and findings were shared openly and promptly among all the participants. This collaboration not only advanced our understanding of genetics, but also set a precedent for long-scale interdisciplinary research project. Next slide, please. Another one best example of Stanford Silicon Valley collaborations. The Stanford University collaboration with Silicon Valley companies is another example. This partnership has led to the development of innovative technologies, the establishment of successful startup, and the creation of vibrant entrepreneurial ecosystems. The success of this collaboration can be attributed to open communications, shared visions, and mutual trust between the academic and industry partners. Next slide, please. The best practice for implementing the collaboration and communication strategy, creating the interdisciplinary research centers, encouraging joint publications and grants, implementing regular communication forums. Establishing interdisciplinary research centers can promote the collaboration by bringing together faculty from different disciplines to work on the common research teams. These centers can serve as a hub for collaborative research, providing funding, resources, and support for interdisciplinary projects. Encouraging the joint publication grants, institution can encourage the collaboration by promoting joint publications and grants. This might involve offering incentives for co-authored papers, providing seed funding for collaborative projects, or establishing a grant program that requires interdisciplinary collaborations. Implementing the regular communication forum. Regular communication forums such as faculty meeting, research seminars, and workshops can facilitate open communication and collaboration. These forums provide opportunities for faculty and students to share their ideas, discuss the challenges, and explore the potential collaborations. For example, a monthly research seminar series where the faculty present their ongoing work, which can help to identify the opportunity for collaboration and develop a collaborative culture within the institutions. Next slide, please. Coming to the conclusion, this structure conclude that collaboration and communications are not just complementary. They are the interdependent. The effective collaboration requires clear communication, and effective communications often relies on collaborative efforts. By prioritizing these elements, academic institution can unlock new opportunity for growth